morning, students. In previous class we have learned multiplying by of a two-digit number by a two-digit number. Now let us learn multiplying a four-digit number by one-digit number. Okay, look here, I will explain A answer, A, B. You can do this. Okay, look, first A question, 2304 into 3. Okay, 2304 into 3. First we have to multiply from ones place. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 1 here, 2 written here. Okay, 3 zeros are 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we'll get 0. So 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Therefore 6912 is the answer of this A answer. Now look at B question. 1245 into 5. Okay, to do this problem we have to get 5 table. Here 3 table, here 5 table. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So 5 is written here, 2 taken as carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 written here and 2 taken as carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 written here and 1 taken as carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore 6225 is the answer. Like this you have to do. Look at C question. 2113 into 7 is there. 2113 into 7. Now look here. 7 3s are 21. 21 is a two-digit number. So 1 we will write here. 2 is taken as carry. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 plus this 2, 9. 9 is only one digit number. So we'll write here 9. Okay. Now 7 1s are 7. Here we have to add 2. No, only here carry is there. So we added 2 here. No need of adding here. We will directly write 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14. So we'll write here 14. Therefore we got 14,791. Okay. Here we got 4-digit number. Here also 4-digit number. But here we got 5-digit number. Okay. Sometimes the product of a 4-digit number and a 1-digit number may be 5-digit number. Okay. Now look at D question. 5284 into 5. 5284 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 here, 2 taken as carry. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 4 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. Therefore 26,420 is the answer. I have completed A, B, C, D. These 4 are homework. Okay. E, F, G, H. Homework. You have to do these total in your fair notes. Okay. Now look at page number 117. Look here children. Second question. The distance from Delhi to Mumbai is 1432 kilometers. If I go from Delhi to Mumbai and come back, how much distance have I covered? Okay. Look, second answer. Distance from Delhi to Mumbai. How much is there? 1432 kilometers. Okay. If I go from Delhi to Mumbai and come back, how much distance have I covered? Distance covered by me. Okay, when we are going from here Delhi to Mumbai, it will be 1432. When we are back also same distance, so we'll multiply this number by 2. Okay, look here, do this outside of the line. 1432 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Therefore 2864 kilometers. Okay, now look at third question. A bicycle cost 1267. What is the cost of 5 such bicycles? Look here children, cost of a bicycle. Cost of a bicycle 1267. Okay, now how many bicycles are there? 5. Cost of 5 bicycles equal, we will multiply with 5 for this number, then we'll get, look, do this outside of the line. 1267 into 5. Look, for ones place, from ones place we have to do 5 sevens are 35. So we'll write 5 here, 3 is taken as carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 carry. 5 1s are 5. 6. Therefore 6335 rupees. Okay. Now multiplying by a 2-digit number. Okay, look here children, for example 194 into 33 is there. Already you know how to do, if it is 2-digit number you know how to do this. Okay, now I will explain for 3-digit number. Okay, look here, first when we are doing multiplication, first we have to multiply this ones digit first. Okay, we have to multiply from ones place. So here 3 4s are 12. Yes, 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 2 here. 1 taken as carry. Okay, 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. So 28 is also 2-digit number, so we'll write 8 here, and these 2 taken as carry. Okay, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore 582 we got. Now this only may multiply only these 3. Now we have to multiply with these 3. This 3 is in which place? Tens place. So we have to start writing number from tens place. Here we have to keep into, or we can keep 0. Okay, here we can keep 0 or else we can keep into. Okay, when we are multiplying with tens place, we have to start from tens place. This is ones place and this is tens, hundreds. So we have to start from tens place. 3 4s are 12. 2 here, 1 taken as carry. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 8 here, 2 taken as carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got like this. Okay, when we are multiplying tens digit, then we have to leave this ones place. We can keep into or we can keep 0. Okay, now we have to add these 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. Okay, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 here, 1 taken as carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore 6402 is the answer. Okay, this is multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Now I will explain one more example. Look here, B. 208 into 64 is there. 208 into 64. Okay. Now first we will multiply with the digit in ones place. 4 8s are 32. 32 is a 2-digit number. So we'll write 2 here. 3 taken as carry. 4 zeros are. When we multiply 0 with any number, we'll get 0. 0 plus this 3 is 3. So we'll write here 3. 4 2s are 8. Now when we are multiplying with tens place, we have to keep into, or we can keep 0 in this place. Okay. Now we will start from this tens place. 6 8s are 48. 8 here, 4 taken as carry. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 4. 6 2s are 12. Okay, now add these two. While you are writing these, you have to write in a line. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. When you are writing, you have to write in a line. Okay, in a row. Here 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 here, 1 taken as carry. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, and this one will be written asterisk. Therefore 13,312. I hope you understood these problems. Look here children, textbook page number 117. Here exercise 4 is there. A, B. Now I did A, B. Okay, you have to do C, and in textbook page number 118, D, E, F questions are there. Do this in your fair notes. Okay, A to F do in your fair notes. Now I will explain second bit. Look here, the cost of class 5 maths textbook is 212 rupees. What is the cost of 16 maths textbooks? Cost of a textbook. Cost of a textbook. How much? 212. Now we have to find cost of 16 textbooks. Cost of 16 textbooks equal to 212 into 16. Okay, whatever answer we got, we will write here. Now do this outside of the line. 212 into 16. First we have to multiply the digit in ones place. So 6 2s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now when we are multiplying with tens digit, we will keep here 0, or we can keep into. Okay. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. Now add these 2. 2 plus 0 2. 7 plus 2 9. 2 plus 1 3. 1 plus 2 3. Therefore 3,392. Okay, this is second answer. Now look at third question. In a farm, 240 potato plants are planted in one row. Okay, if there are 24 such rows, how many potato plants are there? Okay, first we'll write number of potato plants in a row. Number of potato plants in a row. How many are there? 240. Okay. Number of rows. How many are there? 24. Okay. Number of rows 24. Now we'll find total number of potato plants. Means we have to multiply these two. 240 into 24. Okay, here we'll do this. 240 into 24. 4 zeros are 0. 4 fours are 16. 6 here. 1 taken as carry. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now we'll keep here into, or we can keep 0. 2 zeros are 0. Remember, when we multiply any number with 0, we'll get 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. Now add these two. 0, 6, 8 plus 9, 17. 1 here, sorry, 7 here. 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. Therefore, 5,760 plants. Okay, complete up to here in your fair notes. Okay, and today's homework is complete these. Okay, first you have to write exercise 3, these. After that, write these, and then after write exercise 4, these 3, and here 3 are there. Okay, and complete this. Okay, and today's homework is textbook page number 112, second bit is there. Okay, today's homework second bit. Complete these in your fair notes, and don't do H and I. Okay, H, I, don't do. These are 3-digit numbers. In the next class I will explain how to do that. You can do. Now remaining all complete in your fair notes. Okay, thank you.